Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and let's see how we can address freezing issues in Valorant. You can take several steps. First, locate the Valorant file by searching for Riot Client in the Start menu, right-click the client, select Open File Location, then copying the file path for later. Next, adjust graphics settings by searching for Graphics Settings in the Start menu. Here, click on Browse, and in the address bar, paste the previously copied file location, select the executable, and click Add. Scroll down and click on the newly added Riot Client option and set it to High Performance. Next, we need to optimize Windows performance settings by searching for Performance of Windows in the Start menu. Then, after opening the new window, choose Adjust for Best Performance. Lastly, update your graphics card driver by visiting the manufacturer's website and installing any available updates for your graphics card driver. These steps should help resolve freezing issues in Valorant and improve your gaming experience. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.